my hair is moisturized and so soft. Hey guys, so today I'll be making a leave-in conditioner using aloe vera, coconut oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. So I started off by cutting off the skin of the aloe vera leaf and leaving just the gel part. So I have about 6 pieces here because I'll only be making one batch for a one-time use. So I go ahead and blend that up. And that's how it's looking. So you want to strain your aloe vera gel with cheesecloth or stockings just to avoid the bits of white stuff in your hair. If you don't strain it, you realize that your hair will be filled with flakes after the aloe vera dries, and we don't want that at all. Yes, I'm straining my aloe vera gel with whole stockings because I want to wear my stockings after this. And as you can see, those particles that are left over in the stockings, those will cause the flaking. So you want to get rid of those. Okay, so after straining the aloe vera gel, I'm gonna go ahead and pour everything back into my blender. And since I'll be making just one batch, I'm gonna pour a small amount of Jamaican black castor oil into my blender. And I'm gonna pour some coconut oil also. Not a lot because I'll only be using this mixture one time, so I don't want to make too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything up again. So you just want to get yourself a decent spray bottle that can release the mixture. So don't be like me and get yourself a spray bottle so you won't have to be dipping into a jar like I had to do, okay? So currently my hair is in twists, like big twists. So all these sections were detangled with the aloe vera leave-in conditioner 2 days ago. So the only section that I did not apply the conditioner to was this section here. The other sections were coated with the leave-in conditioner, so those are good. So I'm gonna demonstrate with this twist here. I recently washed my hair and it was a disaster. Because of the quarantine, I had my hair in some big plaits, like some big braids for about 3 weeks, and I did not loose them out at all. They were just there, and all I would do was to like spray them twice per week with water and just rub some moisturizer all over it. That was a very bad idea. So by the time I was ready to wash my hair, there was so much product buildup, and while washing my hair, I mean, it was just gross, disgusting, and I had to like shampoo my hair about 4 or 5 times in order to get all the products out. I have low porosity hair also, so you know, that's another thing. My hair does not absorb moisture easily. So by the time I was done washing my hair, I had a whole bunch of fairy knots, and I just wanted to cry. I felt like I would just, you know, cut my hair all off because, okay, I can't detangle my hair. None of my products are like helping to get rid of the fairy knots. So basically what I did was just to plait my hair up without detangling it. So I decided to do some research on aloe vera to see how I could use it in my hair, and I decided to blend some up with coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil to get a mixture. Alright, so this is the section that I just loosed out. Yeah, so my hair is not the easiest to detangle. I have very fine strands. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in with the olive oil. I would advise you to get a spray bottle so you don't have to be using it from a jar like I'm doing right now. So I just poured some into a cover and Just gonna put some in my hand like so. Rub it up and just apply it to my hair. Whoa, okay. So you just want to part this section in half and just ensure that the inner parts of the section also get some of the conditioner. And I'm gonna put some down here. Okay. I see that my hair, the curls have become looser. I don't know if you can see, but the curls have become looser and I can now run my fingers through the sections. So as you can see, I was able to run my fingers through the section of hair easily. I had no issue whatsoever. So now I'm just gonna go in with a medium tooth comb and just comb it out. My hair is very moisturized. It feels really soft, and these sections, as I mentioned before, I did them 2 days ago and I haven't applied anything else to them, and they still look and feel really, you know, moisturized. The sections aren't dry or anything. As you can see, it looks a bit shiny. Yeah. Wow, I am surprised at how oily my hair looks. Like it looks really moisturized. Like, this is crazy. It's amazing, really, in comparison to how my hair was looking a few days ago. Yes. Okay, so in terms of the mixture, I would advise you to make small portions at a time. So make it when you need it. Yeah, so basically my hair is moisturized and so soft. Thank you, Aloe Vera. So in order to prevent this from happening again with the whole fairy knots and the products buildup, I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair. Like, finally, it's due for a good styling. I mean, nothing extravagant since I'll be home, you know, quarantine, but I'm gonna comb my hair, but I'm gonna leave that for another video. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed already. I'm here looking all crazy. But let me just catch these up so I can look more decent on the people them good internet. Okay, much better, right? Okay, guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.